Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the why preheater is used in process industry. So you will have seen that we use the preheater, for example in boiler system, in urea plant you will have seen that we use the preheater, or in a process industry there is a wide application of the preheater. So why we use the preheater, what is the advantage of using the preheater, and what is the application of using the preheater, we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so let's start that what is a preheater basically. So preheater is nothing but like a heat exchanger. Okay, so it is a mechanical device, okay, which is designed to heat the process fluid, okay, whatever your main fluid, okay, that is called as the process fluid. So that process fluid could be your gas, it could be your liquid, or it could be the mixture of liquid plus vapor, okay, and which is going to heat before going into the another process. That's why we use a preheater. I hope you are understanding what I am going to tell you. Means a preheater is a mechanical device which is designed to heat or preheat the process fluid before another process. See, just take one example. This is your reactor R, and in this reactor there is one process fluid, and you want that process fluid has some temperature range, for example 70 to 75. If you achieve this temperature at the inlet, okay, at the inlet to the reactor of this process fluid, so you get the optimum efficiency, okay, in this temperature range. But for example, before this reactor there was not the preheater, so you are not achieving this temperature, but you could achieve the temperature, you could achieve the somehow this temperature or nearby this temperature. How? By using the preheater. So what exactly the preheater will do? It will increase the temperature, okay, it will preheat your fluid before entering into the reactor. So the simply if it will heat the process fluid, so it will have like it will require some hot fluid, right? So that hot fluid could be your waste heat, it could be your condensate, okay, it could be your steam as well in some cases, but most of the time what we do, we use the waste heat, okay, and we utilize that waste heat here. So our energy is what we do, we improve or we save the energy, right? And overall efficiency of the plant increases by using the preheater. So any process require a higher temperature, then usually it is preheated in the initial stages. I hope you are getting my point. But if we will not heat it in a preheat, like in a initial stages, there could be some effects in the equipment, okay, I will tell you that later. So this is a one typical heat exchanger which I have seen in a urea plant. Here you could see this is the cell of the heat exchanger, and these are the tube, that is the U-bend tube, okay. Now let me in the comments box how many parts of this heat exchanger, let me in the comments box. So simply see here, your process fluid is entering from here, okay, means it will go in a tube side and then it is going to outlet from here, right? Means it will go like that, I will show you, go like that, and then it will out from here. This is your condensate inlet and this is your condensate outlet. So what this process fluid is doing, this condensate, okay, will have a high temperature T1, T2, okay, and this T1 will have high temperature than 65 degrees Celsius, okay. So it will give its heat to the process fluid, and then process fluid will become hotter, right, and then it will go to its desired location, let's suppose 2, okay. So that's how what you are doing, you are preheating your process fluid. I hope you are able to understand, and for the safety of this equipment we have used here the PSV as well as we use the Vapture disc. I hope you understood that a typical preheater, right? Now when we use the preheater, so what it do, it increase the efficiency of the process, obviously, as well as it will also increase the efficiency of the overall plant, and it also minimizes the thermal shock stress to the components. Obviously, if let's suppose if you want the temperature here 70 to 75, okay, if you are feeding the temperature around 70 to 75, it's okay. But if you are sending the, let's suppose, the inlet fluid in a very less temperature, so obviously there will be the chance of the thermal shock, right? Okay, and the another widely used or widely known example of the preheater is a air preheater, okay, which is mainly we used in a boiler system to heat the air. Okay, so what is the primary objective of this air preheater? So the primary objective is to increase the thermal efficiency of the process, right? So I hope you understood about the preheater. If you have any comments about the preheater, please let me in the comments box. If you know more about the preheater, please let me in the comments box. In your plant, how and where you have used that preheater, please let us in the comments box so that we could also learn about the preheater. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.